Good morning, boys and girls. Today we'll be doing lesson 14. We will talk about number lines and we will visit the negative numbers on a number line. Today will be kind of a fun break from story problems before we visit them again tomorrow. Let's begin by taking a quick peek at a number line. You've seen these before. Number lines have numbers in order. They commonly have a 0. Numbers as we go to the right get larger. Numbers as we move to the left get smaller. The numbers to the right of 0 are called positive numbers. The numbers to the left of 0 are called negative numbers, and you'll notice they have a little, looks like a subtraction symbol in front of them. And then there's our friend 0, which is neither positive nor negative. It's kind of a nothing. Every number on the number line has an opposite. For example, -5 has an opposite, and it is 5. -4 has an opposite, and it is 4. 2 has an opposite, it is -2. We say that 5 and -5 are opposites. They are the equal distance away from 0 on the number line. It's just that one is this distance away to the right and the other is the equal distance away to the left. The tick marks on the number line show all of our integers. Integers include all of our counting numbers and their opposites and 0. Therefore, every single one of these numbers on the number line is considered an integer. There's another math term for you to get locked into your head. Now we're going to do some addition and subtraction problems involving the number line and integers. At first, it might be very helpful for you to sketch out a number line and hop around on that number line as you work to solve the answers. But very quickly, let's start to just get a picture of what's happening. If you subtract a larger number from a smaller number, for example, 2 minus 3, you are going to end up with a negative number answer. Let's consider this using our number line. If we take, remember the original problem was 2 minus 3. So we start at 2. Anytime we subtract on a number line, we're moving to the left. So let's go back 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3, and we see that we end up at -1, and that is our answer to 2 minus 3, -1. Let's look at several more examples. I think the best way to do this is to practice. Subtract 5 from 2. The first thing I suggest you do is write out the equation. Subtract 5 from 2 means I'm starting with 2 and I'm subtracting 5. Well, on a number line, with this being 0, let me just get some numbers marked, -5. If I started at 2, which is here, and then went back 5, I'm subtracting 5, I need to move to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I see that I end up at -3. Therefore, the difference between, well, we say that the answer to 2 minus 5 is -3. In example 2, we're simply asked to arrange these numbers in order from least to greatest. Again, sketching out a simple number line may help you. We see that the number that's farthest to the left on the number line, and therefore the smallest, is -2. The next number we come across as we move to the right and get larger on our number line is -1, followed by 0, followed by 1. Therefore, these numbers written in order from least to greatest should look like this. And we have solved it correctly. Example 3, we are asked what number is 7 less than 3? Again, especially with these problems, I encourage you to write your equation first. What is 7 less than 3? Means that I'm starting with 3 and I'm taking away 7. Again, on our number line, if we start at 3 and go back 7, we see that we end up at -4. Therefore, 3 minus 7 equals -4. Would you please do all of your lesson practice from A all the way through to H? Thank you.